At this point, we've seen enough reviews and benchmarks to know that the Apple Silicon M1 MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and Mac Mini offer incredible performance compared to prior generation Intel models, but there are still new tests coming out that demonstrate just how impressive Apple's chip really is. MacRumors forum member Itchin did a test on the base model M1 MacBook Air, opening up every default app in the dock on a new user profile and then opening up Activity Monitor at the end to see the RAM utilization. The MacBook Air is able to seamlessly open every app with no lag time, even as the number of open apps grows. Safari, Maps, Mail, Messages, Keynote, Numbers, Pages, the App Store, Notes, Reminders, and more are all running by the end, and the 8GB unified memory in the machine handles it all without an issue. By the end, with every app up and running, app memory comes in at 3.38 GB. Apple's M1 MacBook Air achieves this with 8GB RAM and no internal fan for cooling purposes, which is an impressive feat. The MacBook Air and Apple's other M1 Macs have been excelling in all manner of benchmarks and speed tests, beating out much higher-end Intel-based machines across the board.